Welcome back to Good Father House Design. Today, we are taking a slow, peaceful walkthrough of a modern eco-bungalow. This tiny home design focuses on biophilic living, bringing elements of stone, wood, and water into a small footprint built for comfort. Let's step inside and feel the calming warmth of this gentle retreat. As we arrive, we are met by a beautiful garden and a quiet fish pond. A wooden gate opens up to a cozy porch, where a stone pathway winds through blooming flowers and tall trees. The facade combines simple, natural materials that ease you into a relaxed countryside state of mind. It is a humble, welcoming entryway that celebrates the joy of slow living right from the start. Stepping inside, the foyer welcomes us with a natural water feature and vibrant floral arrangements. The main living room is designed around large windows that frame the green garden, making the interior feel open and connected. With warm stone brick walls and wooden details, the space features a cozy reading nook and comfortable seating designed for peaceful afternoons. Next, we move to the dining area, which opens directly to a serene inner courtyard. A large wooden dining table sits alongside stone flooring, while sliding glass doors invite the garden inside. The soothing trickle of a fish pond and the presence of green plants create a lovely dining atmosphere, ideal for sharing meals with family while staying close to nature. The kitchen continues this natural harmony, featuring a modern island with a warm wooden countertop and stylish stools. Natural light streams through large glass windows, illuminating a cozy kitchen nook with potted plants and a quiet reading area. This culinary space is practical yet deeply comforting, keeping you connected to the front courtyard and the botanical beauty. Outside, The master bedroom is designed as a private, restorative retreat. A plush bed is positioned right beside floor-to-ceiling windows, offering a view of the garden and the backyard. Reclaimed wood accents flow from the sleeping area into a custom walk-in closet, creating a highly organized space that maintains the home's earthy, grounded aesthetic. The luxury bathroom functions as a personal spa. Natural stone and wood accents surround a deep freestanding tub and a separate walk-in shower. Glass doors open to a private outdoor patio, letting the garden breeze filter in. The spa area also includes a sauna, steam room, and a dedicated meditation corner, offering a quiet oasis to unwind and recharge your energy. we finish our tour in the double-height family area. A striking mezzanine level hangs above, connected by a unique wooden staircase and bordered by sleek railings. Lush vertical green walls and hanging flower planters highlight the impressive height of the space, allowing warm daylight to filter through. It is a thoughtful design that shows how much comfort, air, and natural life can fit into a compact, modern home. Thank you so much for exploring this eco-bungalow with us. At Good Father House Design, our goal is to inspire you to build spaces that bring peace, warmth, and family together. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please give this video a like, leave a comment with your favorite room, and subscribe to our channel for more home tours. Until next time, take care, and may your home always be a sanctuary.